How do player unions work in sports law? Imagine a group of athletes coming together to have a stronger voice in their careers. That's exactly what player unions do in the world of sports law. They act as the collective voice for professional athletes across different leagues. These unions are like labor unions that representing players in negotiations with team owners and league officials. Their main job is to negotiate agreements called collective bargaining agreements, or CBAs. These agreements set the rules for wages, working conditions, health benefits, and disciplinary procedures. The legal basis for these unions comes from labor law, which gives them the exclusive right to speak for all players in their league. This means they negotiate on behalf of all athletes, not just one person. This unified approach helps ensure fair treatment and consistent rules for everyone. The union's authority is supported by laws like the National Labor Relations Act, which also requires unions to fairly representing all members. One of their key roles is to negotiate the collective bargaining agreement with league owners. These agreements cover many important issues like salary caps, revenue sharing, free agency rules, and injury policies. They create a legal framework that both players and owners must follow. Player unions also step in when players have disputes with teams or leagues. If a player faces suspension or disciplinary action, the union can act as their legal advocate or help resolve grievances through arbitration. They also oversee the certification and regulation of player agents and financial advisors to protect players' interests. Players usually pay dues or fees to their unions, which fund legal services, negotiations, and other support. The union's leadership, including an executive director and legal counsel, manages these operations. From a sports law perspective, player unions are vital for fairness and legal protection. They help enforce contracts, address labor issues, and defend players' rights in a system where team owners often hold significant power. Through collective bargaining and legal work, these unions shape the rules that govern athletes' careers and help maintain balance in the sports industry.